Welcome back to Ramona Samuels TV. This is all about my quick trip to Cleveland the other day. It was so cold, I wasn't even prepared for that. I didn't document a lot of things, but regardless of that, I wanted to share this video with you nonetheless. You know, I want you to like, subscribe, and share Ramona Samuels TV and enjoy watching the video in its entirety. Yes, I'm back in Jamaica and I'm quarantining. Again, it's so annoying. I don't need to be quarantining, but you know, it's rules and regulations and protocols because of this COVID-19 period. All right, so enjoy this specially entitled one, Crushing on Cleveland, for you.
And I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all.
Now at the airport in Cleveland, and it's Wednesday, November 11. Welcome to Cleveland. That's what's happening now.
Now we mad because you let me. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. All the hood niggas respect me. Strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on him. Now we mad because you let me. Crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear.
It's about 46 degrees right now. Downtown Cleveland. That's where I am right now. Why did I think it was a longer walk? So I found this Jamaican restaurant in Ohio right now. Unruly Jamaican cuisine. I hope it tastes the way it tastes down a yard. Curry chicken, love it. Stew chicken, love it. Jerk chicken, love it. Curry goat, love it. But she don't have it. Steamed fish, love it. Brown stew fish, love it. Plantains, curry shrimp, oxtail, mi pavorato, love it. I'm always a Jamaican, and I'm always going to feel for Jamaican stuff. So even if I love international cuisines and delectable, still all going to be about Jamaican stuff. 'Cause I'm a Jamaican. Going to get my nails done. I'm going to see what the girls in Cleveland are like versus the girls in Florida versus the girls in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm also going to check what the customer service is like versus in Florida versus in Jamaica to do nails. I have an appointment to do my nails.
Okay, go ahead and sign in for me. All of the regular and gel will be along this counter here.
Alright, right now I am feeling super cold and I cannot believe that I have on sandals. But I do have on like this top underneath here. See, it's long sleeve, and I have on this little jacket here. Wow, he's handsome. Oh God. Okay, back to regular programming. So, nails are done. Customer service was better than in Jamaica, for sure. Nails, you know, it's just about the same as well. But customer service was better without the shadow of a doubt here in Cleveland. Right here on West 25th Street. So I threw up on the plane just now. I was so sick coming from Cleveland, heading back to Florida. I got really sick because I was drinking Hennessy, of course, and having a blast. For my last night in Cleveland, had such a good time, and this has happened to me time and again, drinking alcoholic beverages. I always get sick the morning after. I guess I always OD, or maybe my digestive system is just so sensitive, which, yes it is. I could smoke 100 joints and I would never feel sick. And I could just basically drink 3 shots of Hennessy or 3 shots of anything, and I am completely sick. So after vomiting on the aircraft, the flight attendant asked me if I was pregnant. Then I told her no. Then she said, I would get a COVID test if I were you. And then I said, no, darling. This is the result of partying last night. Please don't get it tested. And then she's like, oh, okay, I get you. Now I understand. Yeah, you better understand. Because I don't have any COVID-19. Stop playing, okay? Ramona is healthy. Only thing Ramona is allergic to is dirt, mess, nastiness, nasty people, and alcohol. Okay? Other than that, Ramona's immune system is blessed by the gods. Alright, so just wanted to share that. So I'm waiting on my darling Sarah, my baby Sarah. Tomorrow is her yacht party, so turn up.